guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to connect earbuds to Xbox Series X. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're wondering or you're looking for a way to connect your earbuds to an Xbox Series X, well, there are going to be some details that you need to know here. So the first thing that you need to understand here is that the Xbox Series X here does not support Bluetooth connectivity, which is something complicated. But the thing with the Xbox Series X here is you can still use Bluetooth devices here via the actual controller. But with the controller itself, sometimes controllers for the Xbox Series X may not support actual connectivity or Bluetooth support here. So what you need to do here is we need to make sure that your controller supports that, so you can go and refer to the box that came with your Xbox Series X controller and see if that supports that. But typically speaking, what you are going to do here is you need to also make sure that your earbuds supports or the manufacturer for your earbuds creates a special kind of Bluetooth receiver. So in order for you to use earbuds specifically like this one, is you need to get a receiver for this one. So in this case, it looks like this. So you just need to plug it underneath your controller here, which allows audio into your Xbox Series X from your earbuds here. But the only hassle here is not every manufacturer or any brand just has these specific earbuds. So you need to get one specifically that has or manufactures these types of adapters. But typically speaking, you just need to plug this into your controller, and this will actually start the pairing process in here. So the process itself may vary depending on who actually manufactured that or release the product itself. But typically speaking, that's how you connect your earbuds to an Xbox Series X. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.